Welcome back. Politics over CM's 19 December announcement has begun. Now BJP has also entered the scene. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has assured that government servants will have their own house for cheap price if BJP comes back to power. On 19 December, Digambar Kamath had announced liberation bonus to the C and D class government servants and pensioners.
Manohar Parrikar has said that good governance is not about advertising its own achievements. Parrikar said that housing is the real need of a government servant at this moment.
It is a fiasco, it is not good governance. What I am trying to point out, good governance is not by declaration. Good governance does not come by advertisement. Good governance does not come by intentions. Good governance comes by execution. That is the point which I am making. And this is just an example of attempted good governance by doling out 5,000. That is not going to solve the problem. The real problem faced by the government servant, or for that matter any Aam Aadmi, is the extensively high end of the price spectrum in housing.
Parrikar said that Bharatiya Janata Party will offer a house with reasonable price to a government servant within next 5 years if they come back to power. Parrikar claimed that his announcement is not to sabotage CM's Liberation Day initiatives.
घर घेतला 20-25 लाख लागता आणि त्यामुळे गरज आशिल्ली हावजिंगाची मुख्यमंत्र्याचे 5,000 तांच्यांनी घेवचे पण तांकां जर तूं फुडल्या 5 वर्सांक प्रत्येकाक स्वताचें घर जावंक जाय अशें दिसता रिजनेबल रेटीन रिजनेबल खर्चान जाल्यार तांकां तें एश्युरन्स भारतीय जनता पार्टी तर्फे हांव आयज दिवंक सोदतां. सो दिस इज माय अनाउन्समेंट ऑन day 1 of the new year.
A reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Some more educationists from Concon have come forward to support NIT project at Lolien. They say SEZ and RP issues have created a negative impression for good projects like NIT. They say that NIT is not a company and it will create better opportunities for Goan students.
Ullas Bhatikar, former headmaster, has supported the NIT project. He said that issues like RP and SEZ have made people negative.
NIT जेन्ना काणकोणाक येता अशें म्हाका कळ्ळें तेन्ना म्हाका आनंद जालो. पूण NITच्या संदर्भात लोलये ग्रामपंचायतीन जी ग्रामसभा पयली आनी त्या ग्रामसभेक जो एक केवस एक बोवाळ निर्माण जालो गैरसमजांतल्यान ताजें म्हाका दुख्ख जाता. हांवें पळयलां की आज ह्या सेजाक लागून किंवा आराखड्याक लागून आमच्या लिडरांनी नेत्यांनी जी जनते कडेन फटिंगपण केल्यात आनी त्या फटिंगपणा लागून एखादी NIT सारकी बरी गजाल जरी काणकोण सारकी वाठारांत हाडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो तर लोक ती फुकून पळयतात.
तुमकां कशें दिसता तांकां कशें कन्विन्स जावपाक शकता?
तांकां कन्विन्स करतले पळय NITचे फायदे आनी NITची गरज जाण आशिल्ले जाणकार आनी जे निवळ लोक आसात. हांव अशें म्हणना की जे हाडल्यात ते निवळ न्ही म्हणून, पूण काही गजाली लोकांचे प्री कन्सेप्ट जे आसात ते तांचे बद्दल बरें नाशिल्ले नासत. ताणें इतलो बरो प्रकल्प हाडला लोलयेकारांनी, तो बरो प्रकल्प स्विकारपाचें एक अवदार्य ताणें दाखोवचें.
Kamlakar Malshi, retired teacher, has emphasized that locals should be taken into confidence before going ahead with such project.
प्रकल्प खंयचोय जो येता तेन्ना त्या लोकांक स्थानीक लोक जे आसा न्ही तांकां विश्वासान जर घेतले जायत न्ही जाल्यार ती एक बरी जमेची वस्त जाता अशें म्हाका दिसता. तशेंच जे प्रकल्प पळय हाडटात न्ही ते लोक आनीक स्थानीक लोक हांचे मदीं चर्चा जावपाची गरज आसा.
Pratap Rane, headmaster of Mallikarjun High School, has said that NIT is not a company and it will create better job opportunities for Goan students.
NIT हे जावपाकच जाय ना म्हणपाक अर्थ ना, कारण ती एक इन्स्टिट्यूशन. NIT म्हळ्यार कंपनी न्ही. तेतूंत भुरग्यांक वेगवेगळे कोर्सीस करपाक मेळटात आनी फुडें तांकां करियर चूज करपाक मेळटा. आमच्या भुरग्यांक फायदो जाता.
A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Burkar.
Naveli and Akem Panchayat discussed various issues during Gram Sabha. Akem Panchayat will approach the High Court over the Water Resource Department's project coming up in their area. On the other hand, Naveli Gram Sabha has objected to the report of urban infrastructure by the central government.
Akem Panchayat has unanimously resolved to approach the High Court over the upcoming project by the Water Resource Department in their area. They claim that the construction is carried out without Panchayat's permission.
Stop करना High Court.
But land
टेंगेली. तो लोक जर तो मोठा land टेंगेली मोठा इथे land acquire land काढायची नाही कोणी. सो लेट तेंगेली पूण ते 93 नोटिफिकेशन जाता कोणें जाल्यार फॉलोअप करपा जाय सो 93 ते फॉलोअप जावना 93
बट ते मार्केटात दवरले
होय नोटिफिकेशन दिल्लें आमकां नोटिफिकेशन दिल्लें परमिशन दिलें आमी रिजेक्ट केलें न्हू फायलो
फायल रिजेक्ट केलें काम चालू
आम 3 स्टॉप नोटीस धाडले ताका.
There was difference of opinion between the Sarpanch and Panchayat secretary over the project file being brought to the Gram Sabha for the public viewing. Panchayat felicitated top 3 SSC students from their village. People have objected to the report of urban infrastructure report by the central government, wherein Naveli village is included in Madgaon city. Gram Sabha condemned the report.
अर्बन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हणून हो रिपोर्ट भायर सरला सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचो. ह्या रिपोर्टान क्लियरली बरयलां नावेली गांव हो दाखोवंकूच ना की हांगा इंडिपेंडंट पंचायत आसतना फंक्शनल आसतना हो मारगांव सिटीन भितर आमची विलेज घातली कशी. सो आमी ह्या रिपोर्टाचेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलां.
Gram Sabha for the second time has resolved to request PWD to immediately construct and complete the Eastern Bypass Road.
रोड आहा तो सारको झाकणी बांद पर्यंत व्हरपाचो 15 मीटर ऑलरेडी एक्सेस रोड थिंगा अवेलेबल आसा तरी पूण गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक करना.
Our reporter from Naveli and R.K. Savio dies.
Jai 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 Goye, a Konkani song CD was launched on Liberation Day in the commercial city. Deep Karapurkar is the lyricist and it is sung by renowned singer Shankar Mahadevan. Deep says this song is for Goa and Goans.
दिसलो रे दिसलो उजवाड मुखार दिसलो परजळीत फुडार आमचो लख आमकां दिसलो तूच आमची आवय तूच आमचो आधार गोंया तुजो जय जयकार जय 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 हे गोंय आमचे जय 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 हे गोंय जय 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 हे गोंय आमचे जय 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 हे गोंय.
A CD with special song for Goa and other 20 songs of Deep Karapurkar was released on Monday at Lohiya Maidan in Madgaon. It was released by freedom fighter Gurunath Khedekar and others. Activists of English Y My Bhasai were also present for release function.
गोंयकारा खातीर हें स्फूर्तिदायक गीत जें हांवें रचलां आनी शंकर महादेवानान म्हणलां तें तुमी सगळ्यांनी आयकुचें अशें म्हजें तुमकां मागणें. हें एकोडें सॉंग आनी ताजे बरोबर म्हजी पयलींची टॉप 20 सॉंग्स त्या सिडीन आसा.
दिसलो रे दिसलो उजवाड मुखार दिसलो परजळीत फुडार आमचो लख आमकां दिसलो तूच आमची आवय तूच आमचो आधार गोंया तुजो जय जयकार जय 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 हे गोंय आमचे जय 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 हे गोंय जय 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 हे गोंय आमचे जय 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 हे गोंय जय 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 हे गोंय आमचे जय 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 हे गोंय.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.